For a front squat, the hardest part to think about when you're doing the exercise is how to set your shoulders up for the bar. So when most people come under the bar, they'll set it up so that their shoulders are back, and there's really nowhere for the bar to rest. So when you get underneath the bar, bring your shoulders underneath it so that the bar can sit flush across your collarbones, right over the corners of your shoulders. So if you have the bar placed properly on your shoulders, you should be able to lift it, walk back without even using your hands, and it's just gonna sit from the edge of your shoulder to the edge of your shoulder and flush across your collarbone. Now there's a couple of grip patterns that you can use for this. Common one is a clean grip, so double overhand like this. Put the bar up onto your shoulders. It's a little bit hard for your wrists to be able to do this, so if you have really tight wrists, it may not be optimal. Then there's a cross grip. Shoulders are still forward and you just grab onto the bar side to side. When you do that, try not to get your thumbs under the bar, because then you have the thumb and your collarbone, or the thumb's getting stuck between the collarbone and the bar. Try to set it so your thumb and your forefinger are just more holding the bar from rolling forward. Then there's a grip that I like to use, which is more just a front hook. So thumb and the forefinger, put it on the front of the bar or under your shoulders or on top of your shoulders. So whatever grip position you want to use, figure out one that works best for you. Keep your shoulders pressed forward, find your whatever stance works best for you. Tall torso, drop in, drive right back up. Nice and easy.